Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a giant cupcake cake without a mold. First, gather your baking essentials like 2 round cake pans, mixing bowls, and a whisk. Ensure all your ingredients, especially butter and eggs, are at room temperature for a smooth batter. Prepare your cake pans by greasing and flouring them thoroughly, or lining with parchment paper to prevent sticking. This preparation is key for successful baking. Next, you'll bake 2 cake layers. Use one larger round pan for the base and a slightly smaller one, or even an oven-safe bowl for the top. Bake them until a toothpick comes out clean, typically around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. Then, carefully trim the top of the larger cake to create a flat, stable surface for stacking. Now for assembly. Place your larger, trimmed cake layer onto your serving plate or cake board. This will be the base of your giant cupcake. Carefully center and secure the smaller cake layer on top, using a dollop of frosting to hold it in place. Then, apply a thin, even crumb coat of frosting over the entire cake. This seals in any loose crumbs, creating a smooth canvas for your final decoration. Finally, it's time to decorate your masterpiece. Using a piping bag with your favorite tip, create beautiful frosting swirls on the top portion of your cupcake, mimicking a classic cupcake swirl. Feel free to add colorful sprinkles, edible glitter, or other fun decorations to make it truly unique. Remember to check the description below for the Echo Dot smart speaker link and other fantastic deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your amazing, homemade giant cupcake cake.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.